Hello everyone, in this video we will learn basics CRUD operations in MongoDB. Mongosh command is used to connect to the MongoDB shell. It connects to localhost. You can see all the databases using the command show DBs. So we have 4 databases. We will create a new database using the command use. Give the database name. We will create a new database named school. After creating a database, we will create a new collection named students. Create collection. Create collection is used to create a collection. Show collections is used to show all the collections that are present in the database. You can see that students collection has got created in the school database. We will insert a few records into the collection by giving insertOne and insertMany command in the database. db.students, I want to insert into the students collection, so I am giving students dot insertOne name, student name as Priya, comma, class 10, roll number 1. Find command is used to find all the documents that are present in the collection. So db.students.find, you can see Priya has got inserted in the students collection. To insert multiple documents in the students collection, we will give the command insertMany. db.students.insertMany will insert multiple documents in the collection. Inside bracket, give an array as the class 8 number 5. So now I'm inserting another document with name Ranjita, class 9, comma, roll number 4. So both the documents have got inserted. You can see the documents using find command. You can see 3 documents, one with name Priya, Shruti and Ranjita has got inserted in the students collection. To update a document, you can use the command updateOne and updateMany. So we will see updateOne, db.students.updateOne name Ranjita, comma, set roll number as 5. Student with name Ranjita, the roll number will get changed to 5. Before it is 4, now it will change to 5. You can see that the Ranjita document has got roll number 5 now. To update multiple document, you can use the command updateMany. db.students.updateMany updateMany. This will update multiple documents in the collection. Now I want to change the document with roll number as 5. Number 5. And yes. Now you can see both the documents with roll number 5 has got hobbies as singing. So updateMany is used to update multiple document and updateOne is used to update a single document. To delete a single document in the collection, we used deleteOne. db.students.deleteOne name Priya. This will delete a single document from the collection named Priya. So a single document has got deleted. You can delete multiple documents by giving deleteMany. db.students.deleteMany. So number. So both two documents have got deleted. Roll number 5, there are two documents, so both are deleted from the database. You can see there are no documents now in the students collection. This is how you can perform CRUD operations in MongoDB shell. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, I have made a course on Udemy. You can get the link below. If you want to learn and practice more on the databases, you can purchase the course through Udemy. Thank you everyone.